Good morning, guys. I hope you're all doing well. We're heading off down to Dennis's. George is right behind me, and he's going to kindly take Dennis's bike for a test ride, just to keep it moving, keep the oil flowing. And we're also going to hook up with Jeff and Chris on their Vincents. It's pretty cold though, it's about 36 degrees Fahrenheit, so pretty brisk. We're not planning on going far, to be honest. Probably just go for the usual coffee and maybe something to eat over in Newberg. Yeah, the forecast said sun today, but it hasn't arrived yet. Okay, we just have to go on the freeway for a little bit. It's pretty busy for a Thursday morning, heading south as well, out of Portland. There's the old World of Speed. Oh, I still miss that. What a shame that was. And the sun's just coming out, thank goodness. It's quite cold. You know, George would be in the outside lane right now. I tend to stick to the inside lanes just in case. We're on the road now, heading out to Newberg. So that's Jeff up front on his 54 Vincent Rapide. It's a highly original bike. And then Chris we have on his Egley. And then George is here on Dennis's bike. This is the engine that he actually rebuilt, so it must be a thrill for him to ride it. Started first kick, as you saw. Just great, it's a really great bike. And I think last time we talked, we were talking about putting maybe a thicker gasket either at the base or on the head. And we've just learned from Dennis that he's ordered an Alton electric starter, so that'll fix everything. Actually, it started fine anyway, but the starter will definitely assist in many ways. Yeah, it's still quite cool. The sun's out, but it's quite cold. As you can see, I've changed my gloves. Jeff kindly loaned me a pair of gloves. Dennis's bike sounds healthy. That's a fast bike. It's a tight bike. Hello.
Morning, sir.
How are you?
Good. How are you guys?
Great, thank you.
Cold ride or?
It was pretty cold,
I
yeah.
can't believe it.
Yeah.
At least you got a nice jacket.
Yeah, I know, thank you. Yeah, it's warm. Yeah, can I? Thank you.
Thank you, man.
I think we were cruising along about 60. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I fell back a few times because I was adjusting my mirror.
Thank you, Mike.
Pleasure.
I was deliberately.
Thank you very much.
You want to win?
Yes, please. Thank you. That's great. Thanks.
There you go.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Oh, it's significantly warmer now. So Dennis is... Wow. Dennis's bike is idling pretty quickly, as you probably saw in the last video, but he's bought some Amel Premiers. Jeff's bike, first kick every time. Amazing bike. Here we go. So that was really enjoyable. We're going to go back there for our November club meeting to CC's in Newberg. It's just so cool. You know, it's a gearhead hangout. It's pretty quiet. It should be quiet on a Saturday morning. They do a great coffee and they're very friendly. It's a really nice venue. And we want to support them. They put a lot of time and effort into that. We've been thinking about other places, meeting at a park or someone's house, and it just gets a bit more tricky, a bit more difficult. There, it's a public place, so folks have to wear their face masks when they go inside, which is absolutely appropriate. But then outside, you know, it's great just to hang out and chat with your friends and see the bikes, of course.